Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you why subscribers or your subscribers don't watch your videos. So in case you create content here on YouTube or you run a channel here on YouTube and your subscribers don't watch your videos, these are some of the reasons why they don't, and you want to take notes so that you'll be able to know what to do the next time you're trying to create content on your YouTube channel. So the number one reason is going to be timing. Now the time that you've created a particular video and uploaded it on your YouTube channel may be wrong or may be right for that particular timing. Right now, if you create a content and you see that a lot of your subscribers are not watching it, it may be that you created that content at the wrong time. Now let's take for example something is actually going viral, or a particular video is actually going viral or went viral like 2 or 3 months ago, and you just saw it as at 3 months later, right? And you decide to create content around it. That video may not do well because the timing is actually wrong. As at the time that particular content is actually making wave on the YouTube street, you did not create the content. So timing is also everything. Also for timing, it may be that you are uploading your videos at the wrong time, the time where your subscribers are not on the YouTube street, right? You want to make sure that when you are uploading your videos, your subscribers are on here, your subscribers are ready to watch it, subscribers are here. And there are a lot of ways for you to know when your subscribers are online. Number one, you can do a test run. Each time you upload your videos, look at how much of the engagement you get and how much of the views or how much of the traffic comes to your video. You can also go to your YouTube analytics where you can see at the time that YouTube will tell you when your subscribers are on here. So you want to make sure that you are doing the right timing when it comes to uploading your videos or creating content, right? Another reason is going to be that you switched your niche. Now a lot of people are struggling with niching down. A lot of people are actually having a battle of actually finding a niche to actually be in, and so because of that you see them doing a lot of things in different kind of niche, and then at the end of the day they may decide to niche down, right? And then when you decide to niche down, just imagine you have 1,000 subscribers already, and then you decide to niche down after maybe being in like 6 or 7 niches on your videos that you've been creating on the YouTube space, and then you decide to niche down, right? And you're niching down to something that is probably very different from every other thing that you've been putting up on YouTube. Of course you are going to have a drop in your views, right? Your views is going to drop because you are going to need to start looking for subscribers that like the particular content that you are switching to or the particular niche that you are switching to. So it's going to take time, and it's going to take you to constantly upload in that particular niche for you to get subscribers that actually love that particular thing in that particular niche. So you want to make sure that you are actually picking a particular niche that you know you can run with for a very long time on the YouTube space. All of these things I have made a video about it when it comes to picking a niche, when it comes to starting up on YouTube, and I'm going to leave the link to those videos in my description box so that you can go ahead and see those videos. That is going to help you to start well. You don't want to start up on YouTube and then feel stuck at some point. It is not good. It is not something that you actually enjoy, because I have been there and I know how it feels. Another thing you want to take note of is the fact that your subscribers may no longer be interested in the kind of videos that you are creating or in the kind of niche that you are. Now let's take for example that you are in the cooking niche, right? Now when it comes to human, right, they can be very different, or they can change rather, right? Somebody may like watching a cooking video as at this period or as at this month, and then by next month the person may be interested in watching just fashion videos. So you cannot really control what your subscribers really like to watch, right? There are a few things that you can actually do. So if you see that there is a drop in your views, you want to check and see if your subscribers interest has actually changed, right? So if your subscribers interest change, you are going to see a drop in your views, or you are going to see a situation where your subscribers may not watch your videos, not because your videos are not good, but maybe because there is a change in their interest. They may not be interested in that particular kind of videos that you are creating as at the time. So that is another reason why your subscribers are not watching your videos. Another reason why your subscribers are not watching your videos may be the fact that your content are not valuable. Now this is something I always think on this YouTube platform, right? If you want your subscribers to watch your videos, if you want to do well here on YouTube, if you want to go viral here on YouTube, you want to build a brand, you want to stay long, you want to be on these YouTube streets for a long time, you want to be known and everything, your content is king. Your content is everything. If you cannot create content that is valuable, your subscribers are definitely not going to stay for a long time on your channel, right? Your subscribers are not going to be hooked with you, right? Your subscribers are not hooked with you. Definitely you are not going to be seeing the impact on your channel, which is your views, your growth, and all of those things. So make sure that you are creating content that is valuable. Make sure that you are creating content that is actually solving a problem in the life of your subscriber. Another thing that a lot of people made mistake, and that is why their subscribers are not watching their videos, is the fact that they are only creating content that they are interested in. They are not creating content that the subscribers love to watch, or they are not solving a need for the subscriber. Another reason is going to be subscribers preference. Now, there are some content that your subscribers may prefer to watch on your channel, and there are some that your subscribers may prefer not to watch on your channel. So when you put up content that your subscribers love to watch, right, you will see a lot of subscribers, or you see a lot of views in that particular video, right? Now, when you put up content that your subscribers do not want to see, right, you see that there will be a drop in your views. Now, how did you know the kind of content that your subscribers are actually wanting to watch? It's going to boil down to the niche that you are, and it's going to boil down to the kind of videos that you are creating on YouTube. There are some people that are not in a particular niche, right? They create content for everything and anything that they see on the YouTube space, or anything that they feel like is content to them. They create video for it and then upload it. Now, if you are in this category, right, meaning you are in different kind of niche, or you are creating content across different kind of niche, and you have been getting subscribers from all of these videos that you've been creating from different kind of niche, or the different variety of niche that you have on your YouTube channel. Now, when you create a particular kind of videos, the subscribers that came in for another kind of video or from another kind of content in your channel may not be able to watch that one, or will not want to watch that one, because it is not something that they come for or they came for, right? Now, what I'm trying to say is that, for example, you created a cook with me video, right, and then you got subscribers from that video. Later on, you went to create a content around style this dress with me or get ready with me kind of video. If you see a drop in views in that particular video, it means your subscribers do not want to watch that video, because the bulk of your subscribers probably came from your cooking video. So you want to make sure that you are sticking with a particular channel. It is also going to help you to boost your subscribers preference when it comes to watching your videos. You want to also know that you cannot force your subscribers to actually watch your videos. So whatever preference that they want, you want to make sure that you are actually creating content that your subscribers actually prefer to watch. I hope this few points of mine has given you a thing or two to know when it comes to creating content, and when it comes to, you know, knowing what your subscribers want and why your subscribers are not actually watching your content. If you like content about growing here on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You definitely want to subscribe to this channel, because I have a lot of things that I'm going to share with you when it comes to growing here on YouTube, because I currently run 5 YouTube channels and I've monetized 3 out of those 5, and I'm on my journey to monetize the remaining 2. So I'm going to be dropping tips that I actually use to monetize the 3 channels that I've monetized, and also tips that I'm using to actually get to monetization for the remaining 2 channels. So if you want to see all of that, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you actually benefited a thing or two. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you learned something or you have a question to ask me, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.